Hello everybody, James Williams here. Just got a few packs here at Walmart. One of these past present Panini, no? Yeah, value pack, NBA basketball. I got a Leaf Draft football pack, 2013-15 cards. 1 in 10 has an autograph. And I also, for whatever reason, continue to keep getting packs of Score. I don't know why, but I always do. Probably for whatever reason. I don't even know. Anyways, I guess I'll start off with Score. Let's see what we're able to get. Just want to let you guys know. You guys can check out more of my work. Some articles and stuff I have up. Free agency has just begun. You can check that all out on the website I have, sportsmindednews.com. I'll have a link at the bottom for you guys to check out. So yeah, you can follow me on Twitter as well, at jwilliams029. And let's see if I can get this first pack open. Here we go. Deshaun Jackson. Andre Johnson. So far, a bunch of receivers. Miles Austin. There's 3 receivers in a row. A running back, LaMichael James. Matt Castle, who's now with the Vikings, but he's in a Chiefs jersey there. Looks like he's giving the middle finger. Should be interesting what the Chiefs are able to do with Andy Reid as their new head coach. Speaking of Chiefs, here's former Chief. Is that upside down? Yes, it is. Tony Gonzalez, now with the Falcons, deciding not to retire after all. Terrell Pryor. I believe they're supposed to be having a special package for him this season, despite the fact that they have new quarterback in Matt Flynn, I believe. Bernard Pollard, road to the Super Bowl. Russell Wilson, airmail. Jamar Taylor, cornerback, rookie card. Calvin Johnson Jr. franchise card. And future franchise Justin Blackmon. So a lot of receivers in that pack. A lot of great receivers actually, with Deshaun Jackson, Andre Johnson, Miles Austin, Tony Gonzalez, not a receiver, but technically more or less. Then you got Calvin Johnson, who is the best receiver right now, and then Justin Blackmon. Let's see what he's able to do and see if he can get back on track. I know he started off strong in that last half of the season, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, now let's open the Leaf Football 2013. Never opened one of these, so not sure what to expect other than, as I mentioned, 1 out of 10 packs has an autograph. Hopefully this is one of them. D. Milner. Monty Ball. Sheldon Richardson. Terrence Williams, I believe he was a receiver with Baylor. Alec Ogletree. Hugh Thornton. Tyler Wilson. Brandon Jenkins. Hopefully you guys can see these cards. Marcus Wheaton. Brad Sorensen. Connor Vernon. Rodney Smith, Jelani Jenkins, Eric Fisher, who went #1 from Central Michigan to the Chiefs, and Jake Stoneburner. Not that great, I mean, as far as an autograph or anything, but it got a few names in there that I know, so that's good. Anyways, the main event, I guess you can say. Let's see what's in these. Rookie cards, variations, 50, 200 signatures, Rise and Shine, headbands. Really? Whatever. Let's see what we get. Vince Carter with the Mavericks. Vernon Maxwell with the Rockets. And Freemy Hardaway. Mitch Richmond. Andron Walker. Funny story, he wanted to be the coach of the Celtics after Doc Rivers went to LA. Doubt that will happen. George Gervin, I believe. Yeah, George Gervin. Couldn't see his name there from the front. Corey Brewer. Daryl Dawkins. Jared Sullinger rookie card. The Celtics. I believe he had a pretty good season. Derek Williams, who went #1, #2. I think they were talking about him for yeah, they're talking about him at #1 forever. Then he went #2. Yeah, I didn't follow him very much. Another rookie, Andrew Nicholson with the Magic. Corey Joseph, the Spurs rookie. Glenn Davis with the Magic. Damon Stoudemire with the Raptors. Dwight Howard with the Lakers. Let's see how that goes. And then you have probably an easy name to say, but I can't really say it. Bol, I'm guessing is the last name. I don't know. I'm not gonna try and butcher his name. But yeah, Dwight Howard going to play. Well, he had a dinner meeting with Elijah Wan and all of them with the Rockets. James Harden, and all of them were there. Kevin McHale, I believe, was the coach. We'll see how that goes. How that plays out, if that was enough. I know Mitch Kupchak was able to get in the first word with Dwight when free agency started. I don't know how he found him or if they had a small meeting set up, but I heard they talked about 10 minutes before he met with the Rockets. Anyways, Paul George, who had a pretty good playoff performance with the Pacers. It's a thicker card. Anderson Varejao. Rajon Rondo card. Interesting to see what happens to him. The latest I've heard is he may be traded to the Rockets. Not the Rockets, but like the Mavericks or something. He just lost a lot of his teammates. Rondo's teammates will now be teammates with Joe Johnson after that Celtics-Nets trade. Chase Budinger has a lot of interest from quite a few teams heading into this free agent period. I think the Lakers are even one of them. John Stockton with the Jazz. Caron Butler with the Clippers. Ben Gordon with the Bobcats. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, rookie. Kendall Marshall, rookie. Iman Shumpert, rookie. Jordan Hamilton, rookie. Juwan Blair. John Wall. James Harden, the Rockets. And Amari Stoudemire. So no autographs, no real big hits in any of these packs, but some different cards. I didn't have any of these NBA cards. I didn't have any of the Leaf Draft. So some interesting cards. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys think of my cards or anything along those lines. So anyways, thank you guys once again. Goodbye.